show you how you can do A/B testing with your funnel pages. So, why do people do A/B testing and why is it important? Let's say you have a funnel and maybe you're setting up your squeeze page or your sales page, but you don't know whether you should put an image or should you put a video of yourself. You don't know which one will perform better. You are going to create two different pages, one with a video and the other one with an image. This means that when your funnel is launched, system is going to show either one of the pages to your audience. So for example, person A clicks on the links to go check your funnel and sees the squeeze page or the sales page with the video, while person B clicks on the same link of your funnel, but person B sees the squeeze page or sales page with your image on it. Doing an A/B test will help you understand what are your audience leaning towards and what is performing better, which element or which page is performing better. All right, so let me show you how to set that up. This is my funnel and let me show you my squeeze page here. So this is my very simple squeeze page for my upcoming challenge. I'm not sure about the color. I'm not sure if this color is going to attract my audience or not. So I'm going to duplicate this page and I'm going to change the color. So let's go back to your funnel and I'm going to duplicate this page. Click on confirm. And over here, I'm going to edit to change the colors. Let's say this blue color, I'm going to change it for a different color. Okay, let's go for a red color. And I'm gonna go ahead and change other colors. All right, so let's say these are the changes that I have made. Let me change the color of this button as well. So I want to see whether changing the color of my page actually makes a difference or not. So let's say that is my final page. I'm gonna save and go back. All right, so then you're gonna go ahead and click on squeeze page and then click here on A/B test. And you're gonna select the variant, which is going to be the duplicated page you just edited. So choose a variant and then choose page, squeeze page. And then the goal page here will be the next page, which will be the order form, right? Where people will make the purchase in this case. So go ahead and click save. So there we go. We have already created our A/B testing. Now, if you click here, start A/B test, then this will already be running. And system will then show people either the first page or the second page. You'll be able to compare and see which page is performing better over here in the metrics. When you have already seen which page is performing better, just click here on End A/B Test and keep the page that is performing better. You can run A/B testing for multiple pages within your funnel. So I hope that helps, and if it did, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about A/B testing, please go ahead and ask in the comments below.